Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Air Travel Sathi. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the latest travel requirement for Canada from India. In my previous video, I have discussed about the travel requirements to Canada if you are traveling by an Air Canada flight which was started from 27 September 2021. You can see the detailed video in my previous visa and update section. I will be giving in the I button. You can check that video in I button if you are traveling by an Air Canada flight. And in that video I have told that if Air India is going to start flight in future, then I will give an update what are the documents required or what are the SOP applicable for Air India flight. If you are traveling from Delhi, I will make a separate video. So already updates came for Air India flight. So in this video I will be discussing what are the requirements for an Air India flight if you are traveling from Delhi to Canada. So friends, before starting this video, I would like to request all my friends in YouTube that if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel so that you will receive the updates like this in future also. So friends, let's So first requirement for Air India flight from Delhi to Canada is that you need to carry a mandatory proof of negative COVID-19 molecular test from approved lab which is based at Delhi airport only. The lab name is Green Springs Laboratory. It is at Delhi airport only, and this report should be done within departure minus 18 hours time limit. So this certificate is valid up to 18 hours from your departure time to Canada flight. And additionally, what are the SOP you need to follow or what will be the procedure for Air India flight, I will be discussing later in this video. Number one, all the passengers will be through checked in up to their final destination in Canada. Number 2 point is, if you are traveling from Delhi to your final destination to Canada, then and if you are having a domestic leg from any other airport in India like Kolkata, Delhi and Delhi to Canada, so the first boarding pass will be handed over to you. Means Kolkata Delhi sector boarding pass will be provided to you and Delhi to Canada boarding pass will be provided from Delhi itself, but it will be checked in up to your final destination. Number 3 point is that if you are carrying a luggage, your luggage will be up to your final destination in Canada, means Vancouver or Toronto, whatever is your destination, the baggage will be checked in up to your final destination. But I have told already that only one boarding pass will be provided from your domestic leg. Number 4 point is all the passengers arriving from a domestic flight to Delhi to catch their onward flight to Canada, they need to go through a COVID-19 molecular test at Delhi airport. And this test should be conducted at the approved lab at Delhi airport only. The lab I have already discussed. Once again I am reiterating the lab's name, that is Green Springs Laboratory. It is located at multi-level car park level 4 and the cost of the test is around 500 rupees Indian currency. Number 5 point is that after you received your lab test result, you need to report for check-in at Delhi airport for your onward flight, so that you can collect your onward boarding pass from Delhi airport. Means you have given your sample, you have received your report, and then you need to proceed to Air India check-in counter. From there your boarding pass for your onward journey will be given at the counter only. And if you are a traveler from Delhi airport only, then you just do your COVID test at Green Springs lab, take a report and directly report to the check-in counter. So your baggage and your boarding pass will be given from Delhi airport only. Number 6 important point is that if you are traveling by a hub and spoke flight of Air India, that is from Mumbai to Delhi and Delhi to Canada by flight number AI1102, in this flight you will not be able to check in, because in this flight you need to be in the transit lounge only. In Delhi airport, in transit lounge, there is no COVID test facility available. So for that reason, you will not be allowed in that flight, that is hub and spoke flight. So before booking your flight, please do not book in this flight. If you book in this flight, you may face inconvenience or you won't be able to travel because of this clause of COVID-19 test.
So friends, now I'll discuss about what are the additional requirements you need to carry, or what are the additional criteria for travel to Canada. So you'll now get to know. So additionally, you need to download an app called ArriveCan. This app can be found if you are using an Android mobile. You can download from Google Play Store, or if you are having iPhone operating system, then you can download from Apple Store ArriveCan. And after downloading this ArriveCan app, you need to register yourself and you need to upload your vaccination status and all the details over there. After that, you will get a receipt called ArriveCan receipt. You need to show that receipt at the airline counter, and that will be checked at arrival in Canada also. So make sure you fill up this form, otherwise you won't be able to travel without this ArriveCan receipt. Now I'll discuss about the quarantine requirement for Canada. So what are the quarantine requirements, you will be able to know in this stage of this video. So in Canada there is 14 days quarantine upon arrival, and you need to show that ArriveCan receipt upon arrival, or whoever is seeking entry into Canada, they need to show that ArriveCan receipt. All passengers or all air travelers, with some exceptions, will be required to take a COVID-19 molecular test at the arrival or at the arrival airport, or when they arrive in Canada. And another test will be required at their quarantine period duration on day 14. So if you have some exceptions, then you no need to do that test. Otherwise, all passenger has to fill up this 14 days quarantine requirement, and they need to do 2 tests. One test upon arrival, and day 14 test after completion your quarantine. With some limited exceptions, air travelers will also be required to have a prior reservation at their own cost for 3-night stay in a hotel that is to be authorized or is a authorized government authorized hotel, and they need to await for the result. And after arrival of their result, the travelers has to comply with all the rules applicable in Canada, and if you are failing this criteria, you will be fined for this. So after discussing all this, we will discuss about some exemptions given by the Canadian government for travelers who is willing to arrive at Canada, so without some test report or other requirement applicable in Canada. So what are these? We'll discuss in this. Number 1 exemptions is you no need to do COVID molecular test at the departure airport, that is D-18 hours, when you have tested positive at least 14 days before your departure to Canada. And you need to have a certified copy from an approved lab that you have been tested positive from departure time to 14 days ago to 180 days prior to your departure. And the PCR certificate which was tested positive report is given over there. In that certificate, your personal identifier should be there, that is your name, your passport number, your date of birth, etc. has to be matched with the positive certificate which was issued before 14 days to 180 days before the initial departure time of aircraft for Canada. So you need to make sure that your name and every details matches with your certificate, otherwise you won't be able to travel. Another exemptions is for the special categories of a government servant, like if they are deputed in a diplomatic mission or a diplomat traveling on duty, so they will get some exemptions. So what are they? We'll discuss in this section. The exemptions is accredited to the government representative of India and their dependents. These type of passengers who are currently posted or they are traveling with their parents, like minor child, and their parents is posted in Canada, so they are exempted to produce COVID-19 molecular test, and it has been repealed with the effect from 26 September 2021. So they are exempted to produce that COVID-19 molecular test, departure minus 18 hours. So if you are not carrying this certificate, and if you are a diplomat and you are traveling with your family and you have posting in Canada, so you can get exemptions in Canada of not to producing COVID-19 molecular test report. So friends, I hope that you have got the necessary information for Canada travel from India, specifically from Delhi airport. What are the documents you need to carry and what are the SOP applicable for travel to Canada. So if you go through this video minutely, then I hope that you will get idea and you will be facing any problem at your departure airport and after arrival in Canada. So please go through this video properly and follow this rule or SOP accordingly. I hope that your journey will be smooth. So friends, if you like my video, kindly subscribe and share with your friends who is planning to travel to Canada. And so friends, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.